Hello everyone and welcome to INFINOX Market Insights with me, Richard Perry, analysing markets for INFINOX on Wednesday the 25th of August. Now into today's session there's a degree of consolidation that's taken hold. This could well be starting to set in front of the Jackson Hole Economic Symposium, which is when we're expecting to see some sort of movement from Fed Chair Powell with regards to Fed tapering. Now, this is interesting because this consolidation that's taken hold has just started to stall this corrective dollar move. The dollar has been really strong recently, but it's been a slight pullback against that strengthening in the last couple of sessions. That strengthening, looking at the charts, certainly suggests that this strengthening is likely to persist, and the markets will be looking out towards the Jackson Hole Economic Symposium for that. But it's affecting across markets because we've seen commodities which have pulled back on a technical rally, and again they're coming into resistance areas. Equity markets remain consistently strong. There was another push to all-time highs on the S&P 500, a little bit of consolidation there, but will be interesting to see how they react to any prospect of Fed tapering on Friday. So markets are pretty keyed up, I think, for this event. Now, with regards to today's session, we've got the German IFO data. German business could well be starting to roll over into the summer months, and it looks like that could well start in the German IFO data today. Now, with regards to the charts we're looking out for today, we've got the Aussie dollar, which has been in this downtrend channel. Bit of a technical rally, but again, is it into resistance, and is this another chance to sell? Similarly, we're looking at the silver chart. Silver has been one of the commodities under pressure to the downside, and again, a technical rally in the last couple of sessions, but once more, is this a chance to sell? And finally, looking at FTSE 100 with a fairly choppy range-bound. FTSE is one of the key underperforming indices, really, certainly against a really strong S&P 500, but a rally on FTSE 100 into resistance. So let's have a look at the technical implications on these charts. And on the INFINOX MT5 platform, and we can see that the Aussie dollar has been in this downtrend channel for the past few months now. Since that US dollar has been strengthening, the Aussie has been under pressure. We've got COVID issues in Australia, lockdowns, and certainly has put the Aussie dollar under pressure. And you've seen this kickback against that move within the downtrend channel, but you can see once more that the market is starting to falter, and it's just underneath the key resistance that starts to come in around 72.90, around that top of the downtrend channel, which is that old key low as well. And the rally has also helped to unwind this RSI, the relative strength index, which has basically started to falter anywhere in the low 40s time and time again throughout this downtrend channel. And you'd be looking at that and thinking, well, is this a chance to sell? And you've got the unwinding move. This is the 4-hour chart. Let me zoom out one level. 4-hour chart, again, up around levels where we've seen the technical rally falling over, or the resistance starting to come in around this level in the mid-60s on the 4-hour chart. So this is looking like chance to sell territory, and I think that we're going to continue to play out this downtrend channel on the Aussie. So remember that chart, and well, the silver chart, again, a similar downtrend channel that we've had for the past few months. The US dollar strengthening certainly weighs on the silver chart, and we can see that is again the case. This downtrend channel, a technical rally, not really managing to do a great deal in the last 2 days. Yes, it's picked up off the support around the $23 area, but again, it's just starting to falter a little bit today as the market has started to stall. And again, this is around key resistance area. Look at the importance of that resistance that dates back to December last year. We can see that old support becomes new resistance, housing overhead supply. You've got the downtrend channel, you've got the moving average, which is falling, you've got the RSI, which is again faltering around the early to mid 40s. It doesn't look great for the continuation of a technical rally on the silver. I think that any recovery is really a chance to sell, really. And you look at this 24.50 area, needs to be broken decisively to really suggest a decisive recovery, but it's not really looking that way. And finally on FTSE 100, yeah, this broad range, and it's remarkable considering you've got the S&P 500 pushing all-time highs, you've got the DAX, which is looking more positive than the FTSE, but FTSE is very messy in its move higher. And I say move higher, it's essentially still range-bound, but you're looking at this and thinking, well, it's into resistance once more. You've got this resistance which actually shows up really well on the 4-hour chart. You can see this old support has become resistance in the last couple of sessions, And again, it's into that resistance area. You've got the momentum on the 4-hour chart struggling around the 50 mark. It needs to get above that 71.50 level to really suggest that the momentum is going to be building once more. But at the moment, it's struggling. And you'd still say that FTSE is the underperforming index compared to certainly the DAX, and mostly concerning the S&P 500 rally. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative for your trading. Join me again on Thursday, where we'll be looking ahead to Jackson Hole and Fed Chair Powell's speech. So I'll leave you with the INFINOX support and resistance table, and I will speak to you then. Thank you very much.